Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, May 20th. In the NASDAQ market, it was bouncy, as we'd say on the floor. We had some follow through from that non-symmetrical pullback that we see here. This is definitely the right behavior. As I said before, within the next 2 to 3 days after Friday's action, we want to close above that previous high. And it seems to be headed in that direction. That is what I'm looking for in today's action, but not a dramatic move. I think that's going to happen in the latter part of the week. We have excuses coming out later on that could cause that kind of move. Euro continues in a sideways move. Expect more of that. Also, just a very balanced type setup. We're not seeing any indication of a strong imbalance up or down. My bias is still for a move to the upside. And in the notes, this is beautiful. It's the right kind of behavior. It's what we want to see. In the bond market, it did trade below that bearish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level on that market's 47 ticks, or $1,468.75. That's the dollar value of that change. And again, it's just a reference, give you an idea what that looks like. Gold also needs an excuse, gives us a rally right where we find this equal and opposite. We find sellers again. I'm looking for a neutral type move or a sideways type move in that market. Crude oil bounced up a bit on perceptions of inventory numbers. I just don't think there's legs behind this move. I'm looking for a sideways move, and I also feel the same way about soybeans. It tested these levels that we found sellers before, but I'm looking for a very neutral move in today's action. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.